It hardly rains, and when it rains, it's like fun here. So I just have to do this video to appreciate God as we step into 2022. The rain is a signal of blessings. The rain is a signal of prosperity. The rain is a signal of good things to come. I love the rains. Like in my country, it rains cat and dogs. In the UAE, it doesn't rain that way. You hardly see rains, and so when it comes, we make fun of it. We enjoy it, and that is it. So, see me end my rain. I'm under the rain right now. Don't you love it? I love it. Don't you love it? I love it. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Showers of blessings. Oh my God, this camera will not turn and get me. Okay, this will do. Thanks, friends and colleagues. Enjoy it as it rains. Thank you, bye.